Opinion Best Google Snake Game Mods. 1. Google Snake Menu Mod, https://github.com/darksnakegang/Google Snake Custom Menus do ff/releases/tags/permanent. Google Snake Menu Mod is a modification for the Google Snake game that adds more features and options to the original game. It is created by a group of developers called Dark Snake Gang. Some of the features that Google Snake Menu Mod offers are, More Menu Mod. This mod adds more buttons and settings to the game menu, such as changing the snake color, speed, and size, enabling or disabling walls, portals, keys, and Sokoban mode, and accessing the level editor and mouse mode. Level Editor Mod. This mod allows you to create your own custom levels for the snake game, using different tiles, obstacles, and items. You can also save and load your levels, or share them with others. Mouse Mode. This mod lets you control the snake with your mouse cursor, instead of using the arrow keys or WASD keys. You can also adjust the sensitivity and smoothness of the mouse movement. Pudding Mod. This mod replaces the apples with puddings, which have different effects on the snake. Longer, shorter, faster, slower, or reverse its direction. Some puddings also spawn more puddings or apples. More Pudding Mod. This mod adds more types of puddings to the game, such as rainbow pudding, bomb pudding, ghost pudding, and more. Each pudding has a unique effect on the snake or the game environment. Visibility Mod. This mod changes the visibility of the snake and the apples, making them either more or less transparent. You can also toggle between normal and inverted colors for the snake and the apples. To use Google Snake Menu Mod, you need to install a user script manager extension for your browser, such as TamperMonkey. Then, you need to import the bookmark file for Google Snake Menu Mod from GitHub Superscript 1. After that, you can open the bookmark file in your browser and start playing Google Snake with the mod menu. You can choose which mod to enable or disable from the panel in the bottom right corner of the screen. I hope this explains what Google Snake Menu Mod is and how to use it. If you want to learn more about it, you can visit their GitHub page or join their Discord server. 2 Mouse Mod for Google Snake, https://github.com/darksnakegang/Google Snake Mouse Mode. 3. Dark Mode Mod, https://github.com/darksnakegang/Google Snake Dark Mode. 4. Change board size, https://github.com/darksnakegang/Google Snake board size. 5. Animated colors for Google Snake, https://github.com/darksnakegang/Google Snake animated colors. 6. AIWOTGOL, https://github.com/darksnakegang/AIEIWOTGWL. 7. Google Snake Wall and Game Sooner, https://github.com/darksnakegang/Google Snake Wall-End Game Sooner. 8. Timekeeper Mod for Google Snake, https://github.com/darksnakegang/Google Snake Timekeeper.